Hello everyone, I am Arun presenting my first task, exploratory data analysis on retail dataset for internship in the Spark Foundation. I have used Jupyter Notebook to perform the EDA. Let's get started. Um, First we have to import some library. I have imported Pandas, NumPy, Matplot and Seaborn. Then I have imported my dataset, that CSV files, and I have that CSV file, loaded that CSV file in my Jupyter notebook. And then I have seen this uh, first five rows of the CSV files. Here I can see all the details of the CSV files and all the columns which are present in that CSV file. Then I have seen the what is the shape of this CSV file. I can see there are 9994 rows and 13 columns present in it. Then I have tried to find out some basic information about the dataset. There are most of the columns are object type, and some of them, only one of them, is integer type, and other are float type. There is a one I was trying to do with how many unique cities present in that dataset. There are 531 unique city present in that uh, data frame. Then I have to find the missing values present in the dataset. I have used .null command to find out is there any missing value present in it. I cannot completely see is there any missing value, so I have used heat map command. You can see the heat map is quite clear. There is no spike in it. That means it's a quite clean data set. Then I have found the correlation in the columns of the data frame. You can see if it's a total black, then it's a non-correlated, or no, it's not that much correlated, and if it's white, then it's 100% correlation. You can see expect from itself, only the sales and the profit column have significant correlation from with each of them. Other one are not that much correlated. Region wise, I have used this graph to represent the which region sells most of the item, and which category they sells item. Like you can see the west region sells most of the item, and in those most of the item are office supplies are the maximum. Or you can see the all of the region office supply is the most sellable item. Then I have plotted this graph to find out the region wide profit and sales. You can see the west region have most of the sales. Then the subcategory wise profit and sales, I have used that group all those data frame into the subcategory wise and plotted this thing uh, to find this graph to find out the what is the profit and sale. You can see that phones and chair are the item which gives which most we sell the most. Then I have used this pie chart to find out which category we sells the most. You can see the office supply is the 60%. 60% of the total sales is the office supplies, and furniture and technology items are 21.2 and 18.5%. Then I have used these commands, and I have used this command and group all these things in the category wise profit and sales. The, you you can see that furniture and the technology sales are the highest, and office supplies and furnitures are the sales are almost equal, and the profit of the technology is higher, and office sales is in the second, and the furniture is the less most least profitable. Then I have used a city-wise sale, the which city sells most of the item. Okay, because of the there are 531 cities, unique cities which are there. So this graph might not be that clear, but you can see over here. Uh, this city gives us most of the sales. Graph is not that clear though, because there are 531 cities present. Here you can see there are 531 cities present, so graph might not be seen that clear to you. Then I have used the category wise total quantity sold, like office supplies is the most of the uh, the item which sold the most, which we already seen in the pie plot. Then total subcategory sold in what number, like you can see the blender is the most sellable item here, and after that there is a paper which is more sellable. So it's a graph of subcategory wise item which are sold, how many items which we are selling, and the segment wise um, item which were segment wise the which segment is buying most of our item, like consumer, corporate segment, and home office. The consumer is the one where we are selling the most of them, then corporate segment, and then home offices. So it's the end of the ADA perform on the retail data set. uh, Thank you.